Welcome to the ceiling fan installation guide. Let's go to each step for the safe and proper ceiling fan installation. To start the installation, open the fan box packaging. You can see that the instruction for assemble Deco cover was already printed on top of box packaging. Before installation, you must read and understand the instruction manual. First, take out the foam from box packaging. Check product part accessories inside the set packaging. Ensure actual parts inside the packaging are same as listed in instruction manual. Instruction manual and warranty. Blades assembly, 4 pieces. Pipe assembly. Motor unit, Deco cover, lower and upper canopy set. Remote control, screw sets and batteries. Step 1. Install pipe to the motor unit. Now, take out motor from box packaging. Then put motor on top of foam at the round portion area. Take out pipe from the plastic packaging. Remove the cotter pin from pipe. Then remove the nut, remove the spring washer, remove washer, lastly remove the bolt from pipe. Take the pipe and fix the pipe into the motor shaft. Make sure that the pipe hole and the motor shaft hole are aligned. Ensure the switch is pushed by switch lever to activate the safety switch features. Then insert back the bolt to the motor shaft. Insert the washer. Then insert spring washer. Lastly, insert back the nut. Ensure the pipe was fully tightened to the motor shaft with the nut. After that, insert the cotter pin. Ensure cotter pin must bend for safety reason. To install safety wire, please remove first the safety wire screw at motor shaft. Fix back the safety wire with safety wire screw firmly to the motor shaft. Then arrange the safety wire properly. Then continue to connect the power cord to the 3-pin terminal. Ensure all the wire terminals are connected correctly, followed by the color. Make sure wires fully insert and firmly tightened by pull test each wire. Step 2. Install Deco cover. Foolproof rib on Deco cover. Motor unit screw hole. Put Deco cover on top of foam at the round portion area. Make sure Deco cover rib is correctly positioned in the hole of the motor unit. Assemble the motor unit towards the Deco cover. Then tighten Deco cover with the Deco screws. 4 pieces screw was provided. Step 3. Install blade. To install the blades, you must align the blade assembly screw hole with screw hole number 4 on the motor unit. You must hold the blade during assembly to ensure the blade assembly screw hole is center with the motor unit screw hole. Then tighten the blade assembly firmly with the blade screw set. Use 2 screws for 1 blade assembly. Ensure screw blade fully tighten. Ensure this face-up indication at the blade is facing up. Repeat previous step to install all 4 pieces blade assembly. For references, the blade tightening torque is 250 to 300 Newton-centimeter torque. Step 4. Install fan to ceiling. Remove the cotter pin from the pipe. Then remove the nut. Remove bolt and the pulley rubber. Place pulley rubber onto the ceiling hook. Then hang the fan into the ceiling hook. Insert back the bolt. After that, insert the nut. Then tighten the nut by using spanner. Ensure the pulley set plate was firmly tightened by the nut. For references, the tightening torque is 1,500 to 1,800 Newton. Don't forget to insert back the cotter pin into bolt. Ensure the cotter pin must be bent. To install the safety wire at ceiling hook, first remove the safety wire screw from the pipe. Then arrange safety wire and loop safety wire to the ceiling hook. Attach the safety wire screw to the safety wire before securing it to the pipe. Firmly screw the safety wire with safety wire screw. Connect the wires to the house's supply line. Ensure all the wire terminals are connected correctly, followed by the color. Make sure wires fully insert and firmly tightened by pull test each of the wire. Step 5. Install lower and upper canopy. Fixing rib of lower canopy. Lower PCB holder of motor unit. Insert and fix the canopy fixing rib into lower PCB holder at the motor unit. Make sure the fixing rib is sit firmly on the lower PCB holder on motor unit. Fix both sides of the lower canopy. Clip it until a click sound is heard. Secure both canopy side with 2 screws and firmly tighten them. Fixing rib of upper canopy. Canopy holder slot at the pipe. Align and insert the fixing rib of upper canopy into the canopy holder slot at the pipe. Ensure upper canopy is sit on top of lower canopy. Fix both side canopy until a click sound is heard. Then firmly tighten canopy with 2 pieces screw. Ensure there is around 5 mm gap from ceiling. Your fan is now fully installed and ready to use. Thank you for following along. Enjoy your new ceiling fan.